Hey, everybody. So I just want to let you know that we're going to have to stop meeting like this. And, it's been going on for a long time. And, it's not you, it's me. And, and this whole situation is just going to have to change. I've got dogs eating dinner and drinking over here. And I got people coming in and out the door. I've been sitting here at the kitchen table for so long doing videos. They got I have a dining room light for my video lighting and people walking in and out, and I just can't do it anymore. So anyway, stick around and I'll let you know what's going on. My name is Doug. This is Astro AF. All right, so yeah, I've set up a new studio to do my YouTube video recording in, and I'm really excited about this. I wanted to share it with you. And the reason I'm excited is because of the things I was talking about upstairs in the kitchen, that those things are real. The stuff that I had to go through to edit around all the noise and activity and things like that, and which wasn't horrible, but it's just those are things that make the production process of these videos harder. And the dog's running in and out and coming over and eating, and the lighting I'm dependent upon. I really had to record a lot during the daytime, but because of the light that comes in from the outside made it better. And then the dining light was okay, and I had a little backlight, but it was subpar. And then also the audio. I had some complaints recently on my audio for my videos, and that kind of bummed me out. And I started working on it, and it got a little bit better. And I thought, I'm going to set up a space, and I want to get this space lined out so that I'm able to just come down and be productive. And I have minimal setup right now, so I come down, I turn on some lights, I plug in my computer, I've got an audio interface and microphone right here, and I start recording. I'm really pleased with the setup that I have. I'm running a multi-camera setup, so I can shift over and have different views, or I can come over. I've got a third camera set up over here, and I can move this one around. So anyway, I have these opportunities to enhance my production and the videos, and hopefully make that more enjoyable of an experience for you. And hopefully the audio will be a better experience for you. I'm really hoping that this makes a big difference. And I like having the different views. I'm able to move around and look in different directions. I'm not like glued to the camera, and I really like that. I do have a little bit of fiddling to do to switch cameras, but it's not a big deal, and I'll figure it out. It's going to take a little bit of practice. In the end here, I think that I'm real pleased with the space. I like the feel of it. I like the lighting. I'm working with the lighting behind me on the back wall in the colors, and see how that works out. I'm actually recording in what's called D-Log, which is kind of a raw color format, and I'm able to apply what is called a LUT to that to do color grading. So the actual visual appearance of my videos and the coloration and things like that, at least here in the studio, should be a lot better. It might be outside as well, depending on the camera that I'm using. My main camera is 4K by 60 frames per second, and then looking over on this side is my iPhone, which is 4K 30 frames per second. And then transitioning over here, this is the built-in camera on my notebook, and I've recorded tons of stuff on this, and I've been very happy with the quality of these recordings. So anyway, it's fun, and I hope to be creative with the different camera views and things like that. That should help me out a great deal with the how-to videos and things like that I do. So hopefully those views will be better. That was a real challenge at the kitchen table, but now I've got a lot more flexibility with the different cameras and views. Hopefully, be able to see things, get my hands out of the way, and have different views of the things that I'm working on that I'm showing you. So anyway, I hope that enhances that. But yeah, anyway, I've got a key light up front here, and I've got a rim light behind me over here. I've got a fill light over to the side, and I've got my practical light over here on this side, which I'm not sure if it's in view right now, but anyway, those are kind of illuminating my shoulders a little bit, and then the key light, I've got a little bit of shadow, giving some depth. Anyway, I like what's going on, and I'm going to keep working on it and refining it, and we'll see how this all turns out. So anyway, I wanted to thank you. I wanted to say I appreciate the people that gave me feedback. Sometimes it's hard to take that, and honestly, I didn't care too much. I was just trying to make videos about what I'm doing without the videos getting in my way, because it's difficult to create this stuff. But I'm an audio engineer, and I don't talk about that side of things very much. And when I heard that, your audio quality is not good, well, yeah, I wasn't really happy to hear that, and I know that was my fault. I just, I hadn't really put any effort into making the audio quality good. I was using some pretty decent wireless, and they work pretty good, and there's a good lavalier in there, but wind noise and things like that when I'm outside, I'm going to really work on that. And this camera that I'm speaking into right now will be my main camera for being outside. It's very portable. It's a nice camera. And I used for all my shots out into the New Mexico trip, we're on this camera. And I was real happy with the way that it performed. Here in the studio setting, I think it's doing a really nice job as well. But yeah, so controlled environment here. I'm hoping that this will improve, as I practice in it. And then when I'm outside with the telescope and we're doing stuff, around out there and being active outside of the studio, then I think this video quality and audio will be as best as I can get it with my wireless rig. And anyway, I hope that this is a level up, and I hope you like it. It's really for you, and I want the quality and the production to be something that increases your enjoyment. So I do appreciate you, and thank you very much. And hey, if I know this isn't my standard content, and I won't make much content about how I make videos. I will every once in a while. And if you got questions, I certainly can put something together. I can answer questions down in the comments if you'd like. But if you like this video, if you like my astrophotography videos and like to support this channel, hey, please think about subscribing and, give a like. And if you think somebody else would benefit from this, about how they set up their lighting or whatever, how they set up a studio, let them know about this channel and this video. And if obviously if they're into astrophotography, then I would love to get the referral. So thank you very much. Hey, it's the holidays. If you're buying presents and you're going to be shopping at Amazon or Regina, I have affiliate links down below, and you can use those links to buy anything, or there's some specific product links that are down there as well. But if you use those links, I'll get a small commission at no additional charge to you, and that will greatly support my content creation and in the studio and stuff. And also, if you'd like to be a channel member, that's a way to support me. I've got 3 different tiers. There's a price point for every budget. You get access to pre-release images and videos and other perks. I've got a members only area over on my Discord. Link is down in the description. And so if you join, then we get members only chat and discussion about images and how to process and have a community conversation going over there. So anyway, I would love to have you as a channel member, and if that seems like a good way for you to support my channel and you'd like to do that, then I'd love to have you join. So anyway, I look forward to that. So anyway, my name is Doug. This is Astro AF, and I'm going to give you a short tour of the studio.